In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Books. Adding your bank details correctly ensures your transactions are categorized properly, your reconciliations are smooth, and your reports are accurate. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Zoho Books, explain what each field means, and share a few tips so you can avoid common mistakes and keep your accounts tidy. Start on the Zoho Books homepage. Once you're in the right organization, head over to the Banking section from the left navigation. This is where all your connected accounts and cash accounts live, and where you'll add new ones. Click Add Bank or Credit Card. Zoho Books will show a list of banks it supports. If you see your bank in the list, go ahead and select it. That choice ties the account you're creating to that institution's format and makes future setup easier. If your bank isn't listed, or you simply want to record the account without any feed connection, choose the option to add a bank or credit card account manually. Both routes lead to the same goal, a properly set up account in your banking module. Next, click Add Account to open the new account form. This is where you'll enter the details that define how the account appears across your chart of accounts and reports. Start with account type. Pick the type that best matches what you're adding, such as checking, savings, or credit card. This choice affects how the account is grouped and shown in financial statements, so select the one that truly reflects how you use the account. Move to the account name field. Use a clear, consistent name you'll recognize later, like Operating Account Main or Savings Reserve. This is the label you'll see when recording transactions and reconciling, so make it descriptive enough to avoid confusion if you manage multiple accounts. Enter the account code if your organization uses account codes. Many teams reserve a range of codes for bank and cash accounts. Choose a unique code within your policy. If you're unsure, follow your accountant's numbering convention or leave it blank if codes aren't required. Open the currency dropdown and select the currency in which the bank account is actually held. This is critical for accurate balances and exchange calculations. If you operate in multiple currencies, match this to the bank's native currency rather than your organization's default. In the account number field, type the full account number as it appears with your bank. Enter it exactly and avoid extra spaces or characters. This information helps with identification and can be used on payment documents where appropriate. Keep it accurate and secure. In the bank name field, provide the official name of your bank. This improves clarity across transactions, export files, and reports. For regions that require it, fill in the routing number field. Depending on your country, this could be labeled routing number, sort code, BSB, IFSC, or something similar. Enter the correct value for your bank and region. If your bank doesn't use one, you can leave it blank. If you'd like, add a description. This is optional, but it's a great place to note the account's purpose, the branch, or any internal reference that helps colleagues understand when to use this account. Before saving, take a quick moment to review your selections, especially the account type, currency, and account number. These details drive how your books behave and how transactions will be categorized. When everything looks right, click Save. Zoho Books will create the account and list it under banking. From here, you can start recording transactions against it, match imported statements, or, if you selected a supported institution earlier, proceed later with any feed setup your organization chooses. That's it. You've successfully added bank details in Zoho Books with the right structure, clear naming, and accurate identifiers. Keep your naming consistent across all accounts, follow your team's coding policy, and double-check currency before saving to avoid rework. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.